Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best ceramic cookware set. So let's get started. Number 7. Initiative Ceramic Nonstick Cookware. College students and new cooks will love this cookware set that comes with 2 spoons and 2 spatulas that can safely be used without the fear of scratching. The pans are lightweight and heat quickly, and can be heated up to 570 F. They have thick handles, which make for a comfortable grasp, and oversized stay cool knobs. The large assortment of pans allows for cooking many dishes at once. All pieces can be put in the dishwasher. Number 6. Blue Diamond Cookware Ceramic. When we saw that Blue Diamond pans boast a 4.45 rating on Amazon, we had to see for ourselves. The 10-inch pan is lightweight, but sturdy, and fits comfortably in the hand. Reviewers claim the handle gets hot, and in our tests we were able to confirm that they're hollow and do get hot. We learned that using a low to medium flame helps, as well as centering the pan on the burner. In our tests, we needed to slide almost all of the spatula underneath the egg to release it, more than others that released very easily. The pans, however, were still very easy to clean and barely any residue stuck to them. Cooked scrambled eggs practically slid off the pan, and wiping them clean with a dry paper towel made them look as clean as when we started. The pans also have non-stick rivets, which are one less area we need to normally scrub. Number 5. CTX 10-piece Deluxe Set. With the Scanpan Ceramic CTX line, you can enjoy the beauty of stainless steel and the convenience of a non-stick finish. These pots and pans have a brushed stainless steel exterior, a non-stick ceramic interior, and an aluminum core for even heat distribution. The 10-piece CTX set showed top-notch performance in our testing. Skillets heated evenly on both gas and electric ranges, easily released sticky scrambled eggs without oil, and turned out perfectly seared steaks in practically no time at all. Just be prepared to use a little elbow grease to scrub off burnt-on splatters when cleaning up. The pots and pans are oven-safe up to 500 F. Number 4. Sear Smart Hard Anodized. GreenPan's Sear Smart Sear AMIC cookware stands up to high heat 600 F, while most can only 400 F. Even their tempered glass lids are oven-safe up to 425 F. The pots and pans are strong but easy to move around with thick, stay-cool handles. In our sear test, steak browned quickly and evenly and quickly formed a nice, flavorful crust. Eggs fried up well with no oil and were easy to release with just a tiny nudge from our spatula. The pans have a rough surface that make them more durable than smooth ones. They seem hard to clean, but we were pleasantly surprised to see that the pans only needed to be rinsed with water after scrambling eggs. Number 3. Levels Stackable Ceramic. GreenPan is known for their ceramic cookware, and they offer something for everyone. This Levels Stackable line stands up to tight spaces. While we don't love that stacking means a lot of arranging and rearranging, they take up minimal space and limit the excuse for stray lids. The pots and pans are oven-safe up to 450 F and the lids 350 F. This set even includes a grill pan, a unique feature when it comes to ceramic cookware sets. The saucepans have pour spouts, an underrated feature, and the handles are wide and slope in for ergonomic grabbing. Number 2. D Vantage Ceramica XT Cookware Set. Each piece in this 7-piece ceramic cookware set is light, yet durable and can achieve a good sear on protein. The pans are also very good at frying crispy eggs with minimal oil. The handles are thick and easy to hold. Plus, they're made of silicone so they're non-slip and stay cool during cooking. Great for weak and arthritic hands. The lid handles are also wrapped in silicone and stay cool. A steamer basket adds extra versatility and can also be used as a strainer. The pieces are oven safe up to 350 F and freezer safe for easy storage. Number 1. Tefal Cookware Set. You don't have to worry about your food sticking to the pans with this 12-piece set. In addition to being non-stick, the budget-friendly pots and pans are stain-resistant and can be put in the dishwasher. The lid handles are thin and wrapped in silicone, which allows them to stay cool while you're cooking. The tempered glass lids allow you to see inside, and a steam vent helps prevent food from getting too hot and boiling over. The pans are also oven-safe up to 400 F. But note that the lids can only go in the oven up to 350 F.